So we're still following on from our Sivananda 12 asanas, the 12 basic hatha postures that are a very historical, traditional lineage of yoga and used very, very much in vinyasa flow and power flow sequences now. So we're coming to our prone postures, of which the first one is Bhujangasana, which is Cobra pose. So we're going to take more of baby cobras rather than king cobras in this practice. So just coming down onto your belly. So bringing the hands underneath the forehead, bring the big toes to touch, heels just naturally fall out to the side and just sway into the lower back. Let everything go, release all contraction in the muscles, let the belly go, release into the spine and just release into the pelvis and the hips. Bringing the head into the center, turning the knees and the heels to face up towards the sky. Again, if you suffer with any lower back injuries, my advice would be to take a little bit of a wider width with the heels, so maybe hip width apart if you wish for additional challenge. Just draw those heels and toes in towards each other to touch. The palms come underneath the shoulders and you engage the abdomen. Draw the abdomen back in towards the lower back. And you feel grounded through the pubic bone and the hip bones and press into the tops of the feet. So you're going to press into the palms. You're not going to come up too high because what I'd like you to do in this Bhujangasana is to see where you can get to when you can take your hands off to support yourself. So that may be here. That may be a little higher. I know that I can't go too high in my Cobra because of my own injury in my back. But, you know, just press into the mat and see how far you can raise. Then release the hands. Take nice deep breaths. Keep length into the neck. Reach the crown of the head away as you reach the toes back. And then just lower the hands, but don't release the weight. So your engagement is in the glutes and the extensor back muscles. This is a great stretch across the whole of the spine. Take nice deep breaths. Ground yourself through the hip bones, the pubic bone. Inhale, maybe you rise a little. Exhale, maintain that length through the spine. Open across the chest, the shoulders. Draw those elbows in towards the rib cage and back towards the hips. And then exhale, slowly lower the chest to the mat. Bring the hands underneath the head and turn the cheek to one side. Bring those toes to touch, heels slightly out, and just sway from side to side if that feels comfortable.